Yo, hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can actually create an avatar using AI. So basically nowadays there is like multiple AIs like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and these bots or AIs actually help you do a lot of stuff. And one of them is make an avatar or an image or whatever design you'd like to do. So which one are we going to use today? I will use the Midjourney bot because it is really good at doing AI avatars. So what we'll have to do is go to Midjourney on any browser you have on your PC. It doesn't matter what browser you are using, it will open for you. So now we'll have this page which is called midjourney.com. You can click on it and this page will be opened. No worry guys, this is not a hack, this is like that's how the website looks like. So what you'll have to do here is just sign in, and we wait a little bit and it will take you to your Discord account. From here you put your email and here you put your password. Right after you do that, you will wait a little bit. It will ask you to give them the permission to connect you into their server. After you'll be done with this, the Discord will be, so let's open our Discord, and if you come here you will find the server in your server list. Now what you will have to do is go to wherever room you find in the Discord. So for example, let's go to Newbie 5, and yeah guys, not any room, but you have to go to the Newbie. So any Newbie you see here, it is available for you to use. So let's go to the Newbie 5, and from here what you have to do, go down, go here and write /imagine prompt, just like so. And what you will have to write here is whatever you like guys. Imagine anything you'd like. So for example, we can make samurai holding a guitar while attacking people. HD, we add the quality, medieval, I don't know, 8K. Like you have to add some details, red and white and black, and let's click enter. So for those who are new to this bot, they will ask you to agree to some terms. So you click on agree and accept terms. After doing that, they will start making your image. So as you can see, sorry guys, as you can see here, there is how much percent they are doing my image. Here's the how fast they are doing it. So they are making it so fast. We wait a little bit. As you can see here, 31%. Here is the 62%. Let's wait more. Let's wait. And yeah, I think they're done. So if we go down here, you can see there's a samurai holding a guitar and playing with it. And as I mentioned before, I mentioned white and red and black, and that's what the colors in the picture. Of course, what you'll have now, you have like multiple options. One of them is like upscaling one of these pictures, and the second option, which is variation of one of these pictures. So upscaling, it means they will make this picture so much better, they will upgrade it, they will make it so much like they will make it look so much good. The second thing, which is variation, for example, let's say the variation of number 3. What they will do is they will give you like similar pictures of the same design. So if you click on number 3 variation and upscale number 1, let's wait a little bit and we will go, I think, down here. So as you can see, here's the upscaling and here is the variation. So now let's wait a little bit, and again you have to keep watching these numbers in here. So here is the variation. As you saw before, it is like the same picture as you can see, but with some different effects. Some of them will be similar, some of them will be different. So this is like they have, each one of them is the same, but they have like different instrument too. So this one has a guitar, I don't know what this is, so I don't know what they're named, but yeah, you get the idea. If we want up in here, I think, okay, here is 0%, so let's wait for it to be done. And yeah, that's how you can actually make your avatar, guys. So you can use it on any picture, any design in your mind. You can even make for example like website wallpapers, website designs. They can make like presentation designs. They can make tons of stuff. They can even write you some not write you, but make you some mangas, like as you can see here, like some Marvel stuff. And yeah, guys, so thank you guys for watching, and that was it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.